The Forum of State Chairmen of the Social Democratic Party SDP has congratulated the party's national chairman, Sodiq Abubakar Gombe, on his confirmation and new leadership role. And a statement signed by the Secretary of the Forum, Idris Adamu, the chairman, led by Femi Olaniyi Ferrari, described the chairman's confirmation by the National Executive Council as a reflection of the broad support he enjoys within the party. The forum equally congratulated newly confirmed state chairmen across the country and prayed for wisdom and guidance for them as they lead the party in their respective states. Meanwhile, the forum announced the inauguration of its executive members. Femi Olaniyi Ferrari will serve as the chairman of chairmen, while Abamodu and Okunlade Michael will serve as deputy chairman for the northern and southern regions respectively. The forum also called on party members across the country to intensify mobilization and sensitization efforts, noting that the Social Democratic Party remains a credible alternative capable of driving national progress and transformation.